arrive on scene, report of a person unconscious in the residence.
Hello, hello.
Okay.
The program encompasses a lot of skill, a lot of didactic and clinical, a lot of lab. Our students go through many scenarios. It's a scenario-based education program. In those scenarios, we cover every possibility that they could see out in the field, from medical emergencies to trauma, complex injury patterns, complex medical issues, and of course encompassing all the treatment and including the protocols.
Hi dear, my name's Natalie. I'm Nicole with the paramedics. What's going on?
The hands-on was one of the better parts of the program. I loved doing that, and then my clinicals, different areas, I did a lot of them. We do hospital clinicals and I did them up this way, and just seeing the different area and the different types of people that come in that you have to interact with definitely helped me in learning and being able to help others.
The students understand right in the beginning that we're the front line of medicine. So we're the initial, once 911 is called, we're the people who come to your house to save your life.
I think this program has really been able to drill into us everything that's important, and especially with the skill portion of everything, just the muscle memory of continually going over skills. That way, you know, they always say when you have a really bad call or something's going on, you resort back to your instincts.
A wide array of jobs available. 100% of our students are placed in programs or in places of employment before they even graduate. And all of our students are full-time already. So they will often just go right into where they worked before.
My experience at Luzerne County Community College has been phenomenal. I have instructors who've been willing to work with me on what I've been struggling with, on things that they feel that I've been struggling with, to make sure that I get the education that I need to give patients the best care they can get.
I would definitely highly suggest here at Luzerne. I think they have the best program in the area. I've thought that since before I even got here, and I can tell you going through it that it's hard and it's rigorous, but it's good because that's what makes you the best paramedic you can be.
Call for help and get the ED.
I have students that we interface with that they save lives. And when I meet with them, when I'm working, and I see one of my students taking care of someone, I know that that patient's getting the best care they possibly can. And I get phone calls, I have texts that people deliver babies. The excitement in their voice and just knowing that they made a difference in someone's life.